guys, hey! It is Wednesday. This is lunch. This is stuff that I meal prepped that you will see tomorrow, or no, you will have already seen this. This is like chicken thighs and like a sauce I made in the Instant Pot. And then I have 2 of the sandwich pickles and 2 servings of green olives, and then some snap peas, 1 mini cucumber, and 3 radish, and some French onion dip. Hey guys, hey! It's Thursday! My car is a mess. This is my lunch. I have I thought I had 3. 2 radish, about an ounce of cheese, 1 of the mini cucumbers, about 7 snap peas. I have my little thing of ranch it's French onion dip. I like to dip it in there. It's really good. And then I just have a salad with some shredded cheddar cheese and the buffalo ranch. And then because I didn't have any meats, I just brought this for some protein. So that's my lunch today, guys. Alright guys, this is dinner. This is what I made in the meal prep. Also had it for lunch today. This is 1 chicken thigh, boneless, skinless chicken thigh that was cooked with some mushroom, heavy whipping cream, chicken broth, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic. You know, it kind of is like a chicken and dumplings, but without all the veggies and everything. It's really good. And then I just have 1 serving of this garden salad from Aldi with 4 of these tomatoes and just a tiny bit of these bacon cheddar wisps. I couldn't even tell you. It's just like the crumbs. And 2 tablespoons of the buffalo ranch. 1 serving, which is 1 ounce of this spicy Italian salami from Aldi with cream cheese inside. Altogether, it's 1 tablespoon of cream cheese. And then sprinkled with some everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. Then I have 1 serving of garden salad from Aldi with 4 cherry tomatoes, half of a serving of the mini cucumbers, a serving of shredded cheddar cheese, about a tablespoon of hemp seeds, spicy hemp seeds, and then 2 tablespoons of buffalo ranch. Then I have 1 packet of the performance nut butter, and then a dill pickle. I don't know if I'll get to the pickle. But yeah, this is what's for lunch today for Friday. Alright guys, this is what is for dinner tonight. I have my turkey. Why did I say turkey? I have my chicken thighs that I cooked in the Instant Pot with chicken broth and heavy whipping cream and seasonings. And then I have 1 serving of butter lettuce with half a serving of cucumber, half a serving of buffalo ranch, a tablespoon of hemp seeds, and 3 cherry tomatoes, and 1 serving of shredded cheddar. Hey guys, so this is what I'm eating for dinner tonight. If you've seen the meal prep video from last week, it's just chicken thighs that I cooked, sauteed in garlic and avocado oil. And then I added some mushroom and some chicken broth and heavy whipping cream and butter. Pressure cooked that, and you guys, it's so good. Delicious. I kind of just threw stuff in there. But yeah, in the meal prep video from last week, it shows how to make this. So if you haven't already, go check it out. I'll leave an eye right here. And this is what's for dinner.